How to find call horizon settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First, just open Truecaller and on here click on your profile and then click the settings icon in the top corner, and after that scroll down until you find calling, and here you will find call horizon settings. Just manage it and then go back, it will be saved. And here can manage also call history and incoming calls and anything you want. And that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.